So I'm here at Perranporth Airport this morning for the first week of our amazing trial of the Windracers Ultra drone. We're moving medical goods and commercial items between Cornwall and the Scilly Islands. These are items which would normally be flown on an aircraft which doesn't fly if there's fog or other things that are interrupting it, when a drone can keep us connected. So I was here at 5 o'clock this morning. The flight takes about an hour to get to the Scilly Islands, and it keeps everyone there connected, not just for the items they're ordering online, but for those vital goods that at the moment are critical to keep everyone safe.
The Isles of Scilly are 27 miles off the mainland of Cornwall, and they are a remote community, and healthcare provision here is only as good as the geography and the logistics commands. So we're here setting up an air bridge via drone to see if we can improve the logistical connection between the mainland and the islands in the future.
There's 5 islands around the place, so they've all got their own populations. They're all very different. We get a number of days where planes can't fly, but I believe a drone could, in low visibility. So that's going to be where the drone really comes into its own.
So this will be daily operations. It's over a very long distance. It's to an island. It's beyond visual line of sight performance. And really there's no other platform on the planet that does this at this level at the moment. So we're super pleased to be engaging with Royal Mail.
At the moment, the islands are connected by brilliant infrastructure, brilliant boat people that do a fantastic job. However, there are only so many boats on the islands, and often when it comes to medical supplies, and if you need a test turned around quickly, then there's sometimes a need for a time-critical delivery. That's the sort of thing that the drone can offer.
With deliveries, I think anyone in deliveries, doing deliveries over here, will agree that we need help, more help.
So it means that we can directly fly it from Penzance or from the delivery office directly to us.
What we've been able to do as a consortia is we've linked the 2 best companies in the United Kingdom with very different drone solutions. So we have Windracers, who have a large payload drone that can fly long distances. On top of that, we have a smaller drone that's more flexible and can do vertical takeoff solutions and can go inter-island. And we think joining the 2 of those forces together is fantastic. We have a fleet of vehicles that can solve a logistical challenge, and that's never happened before in the United Kingdom.